Ni hao, welcome back. In this video, we are discussing about how to express a change of states with the particle le. As many of you might have known that particle le has many uses, and one of it is to express the completion of an action. However, for today, we are looking at using the le to express a new situation. And this new situation can take a couple of forms, which include expressing now with le, expressing already with le, and expressing not anymore with le. In today's video, we are only focusing on how to express a new situation that has happened and is happening now with le. In the following examples, you will find that they are somewhat idiomatic and can also easily be confused with a direct translation of noun in English. So my advice here is to get familiarized with these idiomatic sentences and get the feeling of the change of state that is happening. Examples: 知道了，知道了。I got it. I see. This sentence means it is something I didn't know before, but I know it now. 明白了，明白了。Now I understand. 我走了，我走了。I am leaving now. 开会了，开会了。It's time for meeting. 该你了，该你了。It's your turn now. 上课了，上课了。Class begins now. To sum up, the particle le has many uses. One of it is to express a change of state. And to express a change of state that has happened and is happening now, we use the le in a sentence. However, all these sentences sounds a bit idiomatic. So my best advice is to get a feeling of the change of state. In the next video, we are going to discuss about how to use the particle le to express already. See you in the next video. Bye!